from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroën C4 Cactus here on a 2015 plate, but this basically goes from 2014 to 2018. So if you've got something like this, what I'm doing, and you want to replace the number plate light, it is a very easy job. As you can see on the top, the right one isn't working, this one is, sorry, the left one isn't working, the right one is, but my left, my right, whatever that was, but I'm a bit confused now. So basically the right one isn't working, the left one is. I'm going to show you how to replace it. So let's switch the lights off. Now when you're working on this car, basically what you need to do, you need to make sure all the electrics are off as well, the ignition is off and everything. So get a flat screwdriver, wedge a screwdriver in there, and then gently pull the cover out. Now as you can see, the bulb right there, that's what we need to remove. So what I need to do, if I bring it down a little bit, I need to wedge a screwdriver in there. The reason I said switch everything off, because I'm wedging a screwdriver in, so just in case it touches anything and you don't want to fuse anything up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a screwdriver in there and then gently pull the bulb out, because where it's a tight spot, so it's really difficult to get to. That's it, that's out. That's the bulb. It is a 501 bulb. If you needed one, you can go onto the link and get one. Click on the link and you'll find one there. So that's the bulb I'm doing now. So it's a 501 bulb, capless bulb. I'm going to slide it through. You really do need skinny fingers for this. I don't have skinny, but I'm trying to work on it. So once that's in, job done. I then put the cover on. The cover would go one way. So you've got the slightly wider a clip on this side, slightly narrower, so it'll be like this. That's it. So what we're going to do now is check the lights, make sure the lights are working. Well, now you can see that one's working and this one's working as well. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and there will be a playlist for Citroen. So if there's anything else like headlight bulb and service reset, you'll have all of that in there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video useful and you've saved money, so there is a special thanks button on the front of the page. You can click on that and donate anything towards a good cause. Thanks for watching and goodbye.